Man jumps out of vehicle in the middle of busy highway, then people discover the truth. Traffic was moving along a busy Georgia highway when one driver suddenly noticed something lying in the middle of the road. Without hesitation, he pulled over, got out of his vehicle, and began making his way toward it as cars continued passing around him. To everyone watching, it may have looked like a strange thing to risk his safety for, but when they learned why he had stopped, they understood immediately. The man was Tony Mullis, a Marine Corps veteran who had lost both of his legs in an explosion during his second tour in Afghanistan. Walking carefully on his prosthetic legs, Tony made his way toward the object and picked it up. It was an American flag lying on the ground. For Tony, leaving it there simply wasn't an option. He later explained that he didn't see a piece of fabric on the road. He saw one of his buddies lying there and he couldn't leave him behind. Tony brought the flag home and today it flies proudly in his backyard. For him, it wasn't just a flag. It represented the people he served alongside and the ones who sadly never made it home.